First, let's start from the very beginning. Imagine that the spinal cord is like a thin electric wire running inside a long tube called the vertebral canal. This tube is made up of vertebrae stacked one on top of another. Now of course, the spinal cord can't just be floating freely inside that tube. If it were loose, especially when the body moves or bends, it could easily get compressed or damaged. That's why God created a very precise stabilizing system to hold it securely in place from several directions. And one of the most important parts of that system is called the denticulate ligament. Second, let's understand what it's made of. The spinal cord is covered by three protective membranes, like protective layers. 1. Pia mater, the deepest layer, tightly attached to the surface of the spinal cord like its skin. 2. Arachnoid mater, the middle layer, thin and web-like, it literally means spider-like. 3. Dura mater, the outermost layer, thick and very strong. Now here's the key point. The denticulate ligament arises from the pia mater, that's the inner membrane that sticks directly to the spinal cord. So, what does arises from it mean? Imagine the pia mater as a soft cloth wrapped tightly around the spinal cord. From this cloth, small extensions come out on both sides, right and left. These extensions have a tooth-like or saw-edged shape, which is why they are called denticulate, from dent, meaning tooth, or projection. Each of these teeth stretches outward and attaches to the dura mater, the tough outer membrane. So in short, each denticulate ligament starts from the pia mater and ends by anchoring itself to the dura mater. What's their function? Picture the spinal cord running in the center, and on both its right and left sides, there are the denticulate ligaments. Each ligament connects the spinal cord to the wall of the vertebral canal. The result, the spinal cord becomes tightly fixed in the middle. It can't move too far to the right or to the left. Just like if you hold a wire in the center with two strings tied to the walls on both sides. The wire stays perfectly still in the middle and doesn't swing around.